Ciao! Welcome back to Proficiency Consultant's Top Tips for Learning Italian. If you're ready to take your Italian to the next level, today's tip is going to make a huge difference in your language journey. Today's tip is simple but incredibly powerful. Immerse yourself in Italian every single day. Language learning isn't just about studying grammar and vocabulary. It's about living the language. The more you surround yourself with Italian, the more naturally it will start to flow into your daily life. Think of it like learning to ride a bike. The more you try, the better you become. Let's see how you can do it. Start your day with an Italian podcast while you're getting ready. During lunch, watch a short Italian video, even if it's just a cooking show or a news clip. In the evening, wind down by reading a few pages of an Italian book or chatting with a language partner online. Don't worry if you don't understand everything at first. Just keep going. Your brain is like a sponge, and with regular exposure, you'll start to absorb the language without even realizing it. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to fluency. So, immerse yourself in Italian every day and watch as your skills grow naturally and effortlessly. Thank you for watching. Stay motivated, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video. For more tips and resources, visit my blog at proficiencyconsultant.com. Happy learning! Ciao!